guys, this is Saqibraja and you're watching Saqibraja Forex Group. Hope you're doing good. Today we are going to check Euro CAD high time frame to low time frame. If there is any opportunity available, we'll discuss and technically how its price is behaving right now on Euro CAD. So let's start it. If you see the month chart, look at that, the candle, this candle, bullish candle, just closed above than this bearish candle, previous bearish candle. There's still bulls are there waiting for the price, or buyers are waiting for the price to hold this move or this price action. So if you see the weekly time frame, even I shared that area, that resistance long time ago. I mean, it took several months. Look at that. It is actually a high time frame consolidation right now. But on low time frame, there are some moves we can use them for trading. But if you see the high time frame, a month chart, this is 3 months area, 3 month resistance. But of course, we are talking about the month chart. Month chart, technically, month chart level is this one, supply level, and still there are some room available. How many pips? Let me guess. It's around 780 plus. So 780 plus pips are still pending for the price to to test an opposing area, supply area, and then we'll decide. We'll see the price action if it continues moving up. But there are few chances that it will continue to move out. Why? Because these areas are not easy to break first time. Why it is important? Look at that. I mean, price was dropping down, dropping down, dropping down. Suddenly, bullish move happened. So these areas are not easy to break. But if you see the high time frame, like 3 month chart, 6 month chart, price already took entries from the high time frames. The more high time frames than the month chart. If you see the 3 month chart, look at that. That was our area. That was our area. So price already tested that and moved up. Technically, on 3 month chart, this area is important. But we are talking about 3 month chart, high time frame, so I don't see price will reach to this area with a quick move. We're talking about 3 month chart, but it can take several 3 months candle. It can form here to reach this area. But we will talk about the nearest point first of all. And what is the nearest point? Nearest supply, this area. So price will face this area first of all, this area. Instead, this area. Why? Because first barrier is this one, not this one. So this is the for the future. But if you see the main trend, I'm explaining to you about the main trend. What's going on the main trend here? First of all, once price hit high time frame areas, it will push. The price will be pushed by the buyers or sellers because high time it's happening on the high time frame. So an opposing area will be achieved, will decide if this area becomes a great bullish or demand pattern or not, demand zone. We'll decide if price forms nice candle, big candle here, then I hope it will drop down to take order from here, or this would be our first barrier for the opposite side, or for the bears. So price will either move up, takes order from here, and achieve the task from the buyers, and up to here the departure height. This will be our departure, newly made departure, but we'll discuss I mean for the future, so if it happens, then we can close our entry up to here like swing trades. Otherwise it will drop down from here again to take orders from here. We'll decide later. We follow the market or price action or all the candles. But first of all, let we take orders from here. Viewers are waiting here. Bearish orders are waiting here. I mean, the nice. It's almost 700 pips up to here. It's like swing trade opportunities. So we can use them. Of course, this is the great area. Look at the price action. A price can drop here as well, but depends. Nobody can hold uh, such a trades for much time. There are some traders like position trading. So right now, price just took order from the high time frame and is moving up. Where it should move up to the departure height. What is the departure here? This demand departure height, this one. I mean, within short time, look at that. Within some months, it moved 2000 pips plus. I think it's 2000 plus. So that's how, I mean, on high time frame, the price is fractal on every single chart, price moves with the same style. Even you were talking about 1 minute chart, we are working on 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, daily, weekly, monthly, H4, or 3 month, 6 month, year chart. Every chart shows you the same story. So let's talk about the lower time frame. If there is any opportunity available, yes. On weekly time frame, look at that. Price just took order, though it is, I never like such a levels. Why? Look at that. The room, the gap here, that is the risk area. The proximal distal line between that area, we call that risk area. Price can drop down, and this is our stop loss area. So price can drop down and fill that whole room easily. But depends on the price action. Well, let's see if it happens or not, but it is moving up. Why? Because on the month chart, candle signifies that there are still some bulls are waiting here. There is a strength of an uptrend in the month chart. So if you see the daily chart, let's talk about now daily. What's going on the daily time frame here? It's almost going to break the descending trend line. Now, what will happen? Price can drop down a bit to take order, but it's better let me draw these areas on low time frames. I mean, H4, let's go to H4. What's going on? Let me use trend line. On H4, this is our first area. It looks nice. ECP, though it's kind of uh, reacting to that. It looks like it's reacting to the bottom, some wiki candles. But, well, look at the departure height and it broke the resistance, small resistance of low time frames, M30, M50, or maybe H1. So wait for the price to test the trend line plus to hit this area. Then it will move up and up to that departure, its departure we can use intraday's opportunities from here. But up to here, this is our first barrier to begin the day trade opportunities. Why day trade opportunities? You see this room, and once price breaks this area, it will move, it will fill that whole room. Almost it is around 300 pips. Yeah, it is 300 pips. So that we can use for swing trading or minimum day trade opportunities. So H1, what's going on? H1, yeah, it's around the same area is around. mm, Let me draw the trend line. I mean, price can take orders from here. It will move up, but depends. Price can make another level right here, right here, like that. So then we'll use this second level. I mean, depends if it breaks this area, then we can use this area as our demand. If it breaks this area, this level, the supply, then we can use this level. Otherwise, if it eliminates this area, and drops, then we will use this area and it will move up. We'll see the results. So H1, the same area. Okay, now we can say that price already changed its trend. Why? Look at that. After hitting high time frame area, so we'll wait for the price and let it move up towards upside this area supply. So that's it. I hope you learned several different things now today's video. Feel free to ask me any question if you have. So good luck. Bye bye.